C.R. Prasad sir, ex-CMD GAIL, Dr. Dilip Kumar Patel ji, Director HR NTPC, Madam Vartika Shukla, CMD EIL, Jitendra Patil ji शायद अभी आ रहे हैं, then Sri Praful R. Nayak ji, Founder, Director and CEO, Prasak Techno Enterprises, डॉक्टर आशुतोष कर्नाटक जी जो प्लस अप्रोच फाउंडेशन के पैटर्न हैं, मेंटर हैं, क्यूरेटर हैं, श्रीमती विदुषी कर्नाटक, मैनेजिंग ट्रस्टी, श्री हेमपंत जी, ट्रस्टी, श्री महावर जी फ्रॉम ONGC, PF एडवाइजर्स, PF बोर्ड मेंबर्स, ऑल डेलीगेट्स, प्रोफेशनल फ्रेंड्स, प्लस अप्रोच team members and gentlemen and children. A very warm good morning to all of you. Namaskar. It gives me immense pleasure. I welcome Sri Dipendra Pathak ji, Special Commissioner of Police, Law and Order, Delhi Police. So once again, welcome all to this program of Plus Approach Foundation. It gives me immense pleasure to extend you all a very warm welcome on behalf of Plus Approach Foundation to this 7th Global Conclave on Positivity. We are grateful to the dignitaries for accepting our invitation and giving their time for this conclave. The program is going to be very interesting as it is covering practical aspects to enhance positivity in the society. Plus Approach Foundation is spreading positivity since 2011. This year it has completed 10 years and we have resolved to emphasize on the concept of positive, inspired and empowered. So in short we call it PI, villages. We believe that the progress of the nation can be made through the development of villages. Through this conclave, we wish to spread the message for positive thinking to larger sections of population for sustainable development of self, society and nation. The theme of Peak 2021 is Prayas, सकारात्मक सोच, जिए निसंकोच. Peak symbolizes with reaching at the top, at peak of your goal. Peak means प्रयास, एक और कदम. For achieving goals, one has to make efforts and every step taken by him takes him closer to his goals. The theme is very apt after suffering by everyone during the last 2 years due to COVID-19 pandemic. It is a proven fact that positive thinking always makes the way for better life and help us to face the adverse situations bravely. The pandemic has also shown us the value of life and especially quality of life. It is possible only when we are stress-free and live life without any hesitation, without any second thoughts and or without any wavering. During this seminar conclave today, we will cover the keynote address by Sri Anand Kumar, mathematician and founder Super 30. Then leadership panel discussion on impact of positivity and challenges to keep the workforce motivated. Launch of Dr. AK Transformation Academy, Sarthi, in collaboration with Srestha Energy Academy and launch of SDG 0. We will also have concept, innovation and testimonials of iVillage. Then we have experience sharing on positive thinking. Then performance by Anand Band of visually impaired children. Positivity through the lens of poetry by Bollywood lyrist and poet. Positive policing to balance the society, and in the end, Peak Award ceremony. Positive thinking is a process that reflects in our day-to-day work and demonstrates our approach and attitude for taking actions. Today, we will also launch SDG 0. We propose to send SDG 0. In fact, the positivity development goal is our effort to create the positive mindset, and for that we will create SDG 0 and request UN to include in the list of SDG, because currently there are 17 SDGs and we want that the one SDG 0 should be on the positive mindset. We also wish to start a course on process of thinking positive from January 2022 under Dr. AK Transformation Academy. I hope the program would add value to your knowledge and thinking process and would compel you to think about positivity in day-to-day life. It will give opportunity to think about it. Finally, I would end with the 3 quotes for your thoughts. Number 1, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. And number 2, always find opportunities to make someone smile and to offer random acts of kindness in everyday life. And number 3, virtually nothing is impossible in this world if you just put your mind to it and maintain a positive attitude. So ultimately, what is our objective is to spread positivity in the society. I once again welcome you all. Thank you.